Located within Mount Eagle Estate in Eaglemont, Local House is a modern and sustainable residence that reinterprets the character of this historically significant neighborhood while harmonizing with its surrounding landscape. The house belongs to a couple passionate about art, travel, and great design. With 4 adult children and recently becoming grandparents, they wanted a home that could comfortably host their family. Their previous multi-level house, where they raised their children, was inefficient, poorly planned, and failed to take full advantage of the site's potential. For their new home, they hired Zen Architects, who met their sustainability and spatial organization requirements through careful orientation, layout, and material selection. Additionally, the house needed to comply with Mount Eagle Estate's heritage, landscape, and vegetation preservation guidelines, an area planned in 1915 by Marion Money and Walter Burley Griffin. This single-story home is accessible and mobility-friendly, designed for long-term comfort. Spaces are arranged to separate private, social, and guest areas, allowing the house to expand or contract depending on visiting family members. These areas connect to outdoor gardens and courtyards, seamlessly integrating the house with the landscape. Each space is distinguished by its materiality, volume, lighting, and views, while remaining interwoven with nature. The central social area, kitchen, dining, and living room is spacious, bright, and open to the outdoors. The private rooms to the east, bedroom, ensuite, library, and sitting room are intimate and rich in texture. The material palette enhances the connection between the house and its surroundings. Natural, recycled, and sustainable materials, almost entirely sourced from Victoria, are designed to age gracefully, minimizing maintenance while contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Openings are strategically placed to optimize natural light, cross-ventilation, and connection to the outdoors. North-facing windows with protruding shades maximize sunlight in winter while blocking it in summer, while recessed south-facing windows provide privacy from the street. Inspired by the landscape and history of Mount Eagle Estate, Local House is a versatile, contemporary, and sustainable home rich in texture and materiality, seamlessly blending into its leafy surroundings. The design follows the movement of the sun throughout the day, allowing natural light to reveal different nuances of textures and materials, giving each space its own identity. This dynamic evolves throughout the year, offering constant surprises.